Hey everybody, we've got a really nice one here for you. This is a 2023 PJ Gooseneck flatbed or equipment trailer. You can see it's got all LED lights. They are working. Got a front mount toolbox, spare tire up top, dual front 12K heavy duty jacks. Has the 12,000 pound dually axles underneath. So the deck here is 25 foot. Of course, you got the nice heavy welded over steel over the tires. It's 25 foot to here, and then you've got another 5 foot, making it a 30-foot trailer. Now, as you've seen in the pictures, these can fold flat, so you've got a solid ramp. Otherwise, you flip these all the way down for loading equipment. It's a nice low trailer, so equipment doesn't bottom out trying to go up. You can either fold the ramps down and haul them flat, or you can put the bar on here, haul it like this. The nice thing about PJ is they make this so the bar will fold up and stay here, so when you're folding the ramps, that stupid bar isn't hanging up like a lot of other brands do. I did want to point out the tires, they don't have much tread left on these ones on this side. I would say they're about maybe 30%. Then you come around to the other side, got a couple brand new tires on this set back here, but then these again are a little worn. Really nice low profile trailer. You can see all the lights are working, flashers are on right now, marker lights are working. Down underneath, all your blinkers, flashers, everything's working. This trailer's ready to go down the road. I love these PJs, guys. This is what I run at home. They put your I-beam supports right into the deck. That keeps your height down. I'm about 5'10", and it's below my hip, so really nice for tiny equipment down. Don't have things way up there. You're in the market for a 30-foot gooseneck, gonna be pretty tough to beat this PJ. Really nice trailer, and you have access steps on each side.